Imagine walking through a serene autumn forest when you spot a silken masterpiece, a spider's web glistening with morning dew. This is no ordinary artwork, crafted by the Araneus diadematus, or the garden cross spider. It's an engineering marvel that takes only hours to construct. With 8 eyes, this tiny architect can see its next meal or mate from a distance, yet its world remains cloaked in mystery. Its unsuspecting prey is snared by silk that's stronger than steel and used for everything from egg cradles to dinner traps. Ever wonder why spiders are so elusive despite being common? Here's the twist: this widow usually devours her mate post-romance, leaving you questioning every gentle breeze through the web. But what if, in their shadowy dance of life and death, they mirror more of our world than we dare to admit?